everyone, welcome back to the coding school TagEdu. And in today's video, I will give you a little bit introduction about coding and specifically Python by using a turtle named TR. And we will give some comment to the TR, make it moving forward, backward. Also try to draw some of the shape by using some of the really basic and simple function. Okay, so let's start it.
So first, before you want to do anything with the coding, library is something, a really important thing that you need to import from the library. So you have to call out the total before you can give some comment to the total. So the first line of code will be import total, for example. Yeah, and then the second line, you have to naming for the total. So for purpose of this exercise, we'll name it TR, but basically you can name whatever you want to name. So TR equal to total dot total. All right, that's it. That two lines of code already give you an access to the total. So right now you can give whatever comment to the total. So for example, I will give some comment to the total to move forward 50 pixel. I will explain a little bit later about what is pixel is. So after that, you click the run button and you can see the total, hey, is already moving. And you can see it's already moving from 250 pixel to 300 pixels. So it's moving 50 pixel, okay? So after you finish that, just click the check button and yep, you're doing a great job. And now let's move on to the next task. Okay, so on the second task, right? So you already learned about moving forward. So it's easy to move the total backward as well. So forward and backward is easy, right? For example, if you want to move the total, how many steps, how many pixel forward, or how many steps backward, you're able to use the tr.forward or tr.backward. And on this task, we'll learn more about how to give a few more comments to the total. For example, it's turn left and turn right. So for example, if you want to go forward and backward using step or pixel, how many pixel you want to move, but being able to turn left and turn right, let me know like what you had to care when you need a comment to the total to turn left or turn right. Okay, that's right. So you have to care about the degree, like how many degree you want the total to move. For example, like 45 degree or 90 degree, right? So that is something you have to define for the total. So I will give some examples. So for example, right now TR move forward 200, and then also TR dot right 90 degree. Okay, so you can click run and see how it's moving. So you can see like in this task, the purpose is if you slide this to the left side, you will see the solution of the task. And on the right side, it is more like on your solution, okay? So you can see right now the TR, if you click run again, so you can see the total already moving forward 200 pixel and then turn right 90 degrees, okay? So if you're reading the comment here, right? So the requirement is complete the code to make TR draw a square and modify the code that's TR draw a square that is 200 times 200 pixel, okay? So 200 pixel is already here, but we need to draw a square exactly like the task requirement. So you can see, right? So from here, I can see the TR, okay? Okay, TR needs to move forward 200 pixel, then turn left, actually turn left 90 degree. So you can change this to turn left 90 degree here, and you already see the total, it already turned left, right? Now, what next step? You have to move the total also forward 200 pixel as well. So using a same function, yeah. So you can see the total already moving to this location, right? What next step is the total have to move again, left, you right, left 90 degree, okay? So same thing, TR moving left 90 degree, okay? What next? Yep, the TR have to move forward 200 pixel as well. Here. Alright, so you can see your solution is already matching with the task solution, right? So if you click run again, you will see the total actually like drawing a square, which is 200 times 200 pixel. Alright, good job, good job. So yeah, after that, you just click a check button. Okay, very impressive. And then go to the next task.
Thank you everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. See ya.